This is part 4 of October-November 2022, Math, Syllabus D 4024. Question 21, Part A, find inverse function of x. Now first, we can write fx over here as y, so this equation would be y equals 1 plus 3x over 2. Now we have to make this x the subject. So that would be y minus 1 equals 3x plus 2, and then this 2 will go over here and 3 will come here. That would be 2y minus 1 over 3 equals x. Now for inverse, we're going to write this y as x to give the answer 2x minus 1 over 3. Part B is solve gx equals f minus 4. First we have to find f minus 4. The original function was fx equals 1 plus 3x over 2. Now this x is being replaced by minus 4, so this x will also be replaced by minus 4, which is 1 plus 3 multiplied by minus 4 over 2. This will give the answer minus 5 for a function f minus 4. Now this would be equated with gx. Gx is 2 over 1 minus x, so 2 over 1 minus x equals minus 5. This would go over here to multiply and give the answer minus 5 plus 5x. So that would be 7 equals 5x. X is 7 over 5. Question 2, part A, is factorize 9p squared minus q squared. This is third identity. This would be square rooted and plus and minus in between. So that's 3p minus q multiplied by 3p plus q, which is the answer. Part B is AC minus 3BC plus A minus 3B. We can see that C can be taken as common for the first two terms, so that's C bracket A minus 3B. For the next one, only 1 is common, so that's plus 1 A minus 3B. This would be in a separate bracket, and this would be the next bracket, so C plus 1, A minus 3B. Okay. Question 23, Adam and Ben buy tickets for the cinema and the theater. Part A is Adam buys 5 cinema tickets and 4 theater tickets. Ben buys 7 cinema tickets and 9 theater tickets. Complete the matrix X to represent this information. The first column would be of cinema and the second would be for theater. So that's 5 and 7 and 4 and 9. That's the answer. Adam is 5 cinema tickets and theater 4. This would be 7 and 9. Part B is cinema tickets cost $11 each and theater tickets cost $30 each. The matrix Y represents this information. Y is 11 and 30. Part 1 is P equals X, Y. Find the matrix P. For the multiplication of matrix, this column is going to be multiplied by this row, this column is multiplied by this row, and then there's a plus in between, so that's 5 multiplied by 11, plus 4 multiplied by 30, 7 multiplied by 11, plus 9 multiplied by 30. This would give the answer 175, and 347 for P. Part 2 is explain what the elements in matrix P represent. Now because this is the cost multiplied by the tickets, so that would be total cost of Adam's ticket and the total cost for Ben's ticket. Question 24, sine x degree equals sine 50 degrees and 90 is less than x and 180 is greater than x. This is the range for the value of x. Find the value of x. This would be 180 minus 50 degrees to give the answer 130 degrees. Question 25. X squared minus, simplify x squared minus 4x over x squared minus x minus 12. The numerator x will be taken as common, so that's x and then bracket x minus 4. For the denominator we'll do middle term breaking, so that's 4 minus 3, which is equal to x. So that would be x squared minus 4x plus 3x minus 12. This x will be taken as common, so that's x minus 4, plus 3, because 3 is common, x minus 4. We'll make this into a bracket and this into a bracket, so that's x minus 4, and then x minus 4, x plus 3. these both will be cancelled. The answer would be x over x plus 3. Question 26. OAC is a triangle and B is a point on AC such that AB ratio BC is 3:2. OA vector is A and OB is B. Part A, find OC in terms of A and B, giving your answer in its simplest form. Alright, we do know that OB plus BC is going to be equal to OC. We do not know what BC is, so to find BC, we'll first find AB and then we will get BC because of the ratio that is given. So OA plus AB equals OB. AB will be equal to B and minus A. So AB is equal to B minus A. AB over BC equals 3:2. So 2 will go over here and 3 will come here. BC will be shifted upwards. So that's 2/3 AB, which is B minus A. We have BC, 2/3 B minus A. Now we have BC to find OC. OB plus BC will be equal to OC. OB we know is B plus 2/3 B minus A will be equal to OC. We'll take 3 as LCM, and 3B plus 2B minus 2A/3 equals OC. This would give the answer 5/3B minus 2/3A. Part B, D is a point on OC such that OD equals B minus 2/5A. Show that OBD is a trapezium. First we will find the expression for DB. So this, because we need to prove that both these lines are parallel, OA and DB. We'll find DB this way. OD plus DB is equal to OB. So that would be DB equals OB minus OD. OB is given as B minus 2/5A. This is mentioned in the question. That would be 2/5A, which is equal to DB. Now we need to prove that OA is parallel to DB. We will write it as OA equals KDB. K is a constant. So that would be A minus 5/2 dB, because this is 2/5A. So that's 5 will go over here, 2 will go down here, so that would be 5/2 equals the constant. Therefore, OA is parallel to DB. That would make OBD as a trapezium.